Today I'm going to show you how to add a calendar in a Gamma presentation in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick if you want to organize schedules, weekly plans, project timelines, or content calendars directly inside your slides. If you use Gamma for presentations, this can save you time and help make your content look more polished and easy to follow. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're signed in, open the presentation you want to edit. After that, navigate to the card where you want the calendar to appear. Gamma works by letting you add content directly into individual cards, so choosing the right card is the first step to placing your calendar neatly in your presentation. Now click into the card and type /weekly calendar. As soon as you do that, Gamma will generate a calendar block for you automatically. This is one of the easiest ways to insert a calendar without having to build it manually from scratch. It's fast, simple, and very beginner-friendly. Once the calendar appears, you can start editing it according to your needs. You can adjust the content, update the dates, change the labels, and customize it so it matches your presentation topic. If you're making a weekly schedule, you can use it for planning tasks across different days. If you're building a project deck, you can use it to show milestones or deadlines. And if you're creating a content plan, you can turn it into a clean visual calendar for your audience. Take a moment to review the layout and make sure everything looks the way you want it to. Gamma gives you flexibility, so you can keep it simple or make it more detailed depending on the style of your presentation. The goal is to make your calendar clear, useful, and visually aligned with the rest of your slides. And that's it, you've now learned how to add a calendar in Gamma presentation in just a few clicks. It's a quick feature, but it can make a big difference when you want to present information in a more organized and professional way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gamma tutorials and other easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.